So we just came back from a little trip. Stayed a few days down in Wilmington. Um, but had my homie here taking care of everything and keeping an eye on stuff. And while we were gone, um, apparently, um, I bought some water lettuce a couple weeks ago and threw it in here. And it's kind of just been floating around, and it kind of gravitated over here, which is near my waterfall, and it's kind of made a little bit of a like blockade or whatever. So it's kind of got a lot of this fibrous string algae kind of all up in this area. And I had noticed last week that this is where a lot of my tadpoles were hanging out, but I'm not sure if you can see this. There's also a ton of fry in here, and I had seen a few before we left, and I wasn't sure what kind of fish they are, but I'm noticing that there's a couple of guppies that are staying underneath of this ledge here. There's a snail right there as well. I didn't even put snails in here, they just showed up. So there's a couple of guppies that are staying up under this ledge here, and I believe they've basically set up a kind of a nursery in this area where the small fish are protected basically from the larger fish, and they're just hanging out doing their thing under there. So that's pretty awesome. I found out that this tree that I have here is actually a pear tree. I don't think you can see any of the fruit hanging in it right now, but so pears keep dropping out of that tree into the pond. I haven't been doing anything about it really. I've just kind of been letting them sit there and decay or whatever. Something's eating them. I saw some of the tadpoles eating them earlier and whatnot. I need to go ahead, probably tomorrow I'll come in here and try and clear out some of this string algae that's all over the place. I don't know if you can see my pleco down there. I haven't seen the other one since I've been back. I think I've only got one now, but he's getting pretty big. He's about twice the size he was when I bought him. So I'll come in here and I'll try and clear out some of this fibrous algae. And I still got a bit of rock that I need to go ahead and put along that back edge. Seen one of my plants has flowered pretty good. The water lettuce, last week it had some purple flowers on it, and my water lily had a nice white and yellow flower on it, but I believe that part's gone for now, so hopefully it'll get another flower sometime later on. I don't know if you can make out, there's one of the larger fry is out there swimming around by itself. What else do we got going on in here? Mostly just a bunch of algae. But my water level did get a little bit low while I was gone, so I'm just filling it back up with some more water. It seems that I'm losing probably about 5 inches of water a week. I've been only filling it back up once, maybe twice a week when I come out here and notice that it's a little bit low. And I've been cleaning out the filter about twice a week. Now I can get this a lot clearer. I have other small filters that will get this a lot clearer, but I'm kind of just letting it rock right now because, I mean, it's functioning, the fish are happy. They're down there chowing down right now on a bunch of this algae. It's another reason why I'm not trying to pull it out. I've only fed these fish maybe 6 times in the past 2 months with like actual goldfish food. The rest of the time they've just been eating algae and bugs and whatever. So that's been good. And yeah, that's about it.